Hey everyone, if you're seeing the Snapchat support code SS06 error, it means that your account is temporarily locked. Here's how to fix it. First, close and reopen the Snapchat. Fully close the app and reopen it again to see if it's just temporary glitch. Now, use the official unlock page. Go to your browser and search for accounts.snapchat.com and log into your account, then select unlock. If available, tap unlock my account. Now go back to the login page and choose forgot your password. Reset it using your email and phone number and use a strong new password. You can uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat or turn off VPN or proxy if you're using one. And remove any third-party apps linked to Snapchat. And that's how you fix the Snapchat SS06 error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!